Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Management Rohtak. The calls for IIM Rohtak are out. So with this video, we are going to discuss about the selection criteria, about the batch profile and about the placements for the IIM Rohtak. So if we consider the overall selection criteria, then there is a minimum CAT qualifying cutoff. Like for general category it is 96 percentile, for EWS category it is 92 percentile, for NCOBC it is 82 percentile, for SC category it is 60 percentile, for ST category it is 50 percentile, for DAP general it is 86, for DAP EWS it is 82, for DAP NCOBC it is 72, for DAP SC it is 50 percentile and for DAP ST it is 40 percentile. So this is the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff. So on this basis you have received the call for the personal interview round. Then if we consider the final selection list, then the final selection list is based on certain parameters like your CAT score, your personal interview score and your diversity score. So here if we consider, then 60% weightage is given to your overall CAT score, 20% weightage is given to the personal interview score and 20% weightage is given to the academic diversity and gender diversity. And on the basis of these various factors, the finally selected list of candidates is done. So this is all about the admission process for IIM Rohtak. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for IIM Rohtak, then the batch strength is of 408 students and out of 408 students, the 29% candidates are the male candidates and 71% candidates are the female candidates. And if we consider the academic background, then 62% students are from the commerce background, 26% students are from the science background and 12% students are from the arts background. And if we consider the work experience, then there are 11% students who have the work experience of more than 36 months. Then there are 13% students who have the work experience in between 24 to 36 months. 27% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 24 months and there are 49 candidates who have the work experience less than 12 months. So here you can see the number of freshers is maximum in the IIM Rohtak and same with the gender diversity also. Here the number of female candidates is maximum as compared to the male candidates. Now if we talk about the placements for the IIM Rohtak, then there are more than 120 plus recruiters are over there in the campus for the recruitment, and from the data, the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 36 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 18.73 lakhs per annum and the median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 17.5 lakhs per annum. So here you can see there is a 16.7% increase in the average CTC from the last year. So the top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 34.68 lakhs per annum. The top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 27.15 lakhs per annum and top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.64 lakhs per annum. Now if we see the function wise placements for the IIM Rohtak, then 24% of the offers received in consulting. Various roles like business analyst and associate consultant were offered by the industry leaders such as Accenture, Bain, Capability Networks, Cognizant, Deloitte, Gartner, then EY, Genpact and Math Company, and there are many other companies. So here if we see for the consulting role, then the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 32.21 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this role is nearly up to 16.58 lakhs per annum. Now if we talk about the finance role, then 19% placements is there in the finance role and there are different companies for the finance like Barclays, RBL Bank, SBI Capital Markets and Wells Fargo. If we consider the highest salary package offered with this college for the finance, then it is nearly up to 24 lakhs per annum and the average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 15.82 lakhs per annum. And if we talk about the general management, then there are 21% placements are with the general management. The highest salary package offered with the general management is nearly up to 19.05 lakhs per annum and the average placement salary offered with this college for the general management, it is nearly up to 17.08 lakhs per annum. If we talk about the top recruiters for the general management, then those are ICICI Bank, Reliance Retail, Samsung and Ultratech Cement. Then if we talk about the IT, operations and product management, so with this function there is near about 15% placement. So the average salary package offered with this function is nearly up to 22.63 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this function is nearly up to 35.51 lakhs per annum. If we talk about the top recruiters for IT, operations and product management, then those are Amazon, Byju's, IDFC First Bank, and there are so many companies. Now if we consider the sales and marketing function, then 21% placements is with this function. The average placement salary offered with the sales and marketing is nearly up to 19.90 lakhs per annum. The highest placement salary offered with this function is nearly up to 36 lakhs per annum. And if we talk about the top recruiters, then those are Anand Group, then Tata Steel, Titan, Hero, and there are so many companies. Then if we consider the overall sector-wise placement, then 45% placements are with the BFSI, finance and fintech roles, 13% placements are regarding with the consulting roles, 10% placements are regarding with the e-commerce and retail, then 14% placements are regarding with the IT sector, 12% placements are regarding with the manufacturing sector, and 6% placements are regarding with the other sectors. If we talk about the overall top recruiters for the IIM Rohtak, then those are Accenture, Amazon, Axis Bank, Byju's, Cognizant, EXL, Gartner, Hero, HDFC Bank, IDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Samsung, Reliance, Suryodaya, Tata Steel, Yes Bank, and there are so many companies are over here. So this is all about the IIM Rohtak. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey.